Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing a healthy chocolate almond milkshake recipe for kids to have during exam time, especially if your child sits up late at night to study. This milkshake is also great for those adults who like to have a healthy chocolate drink. It's a filling drink which you can have any time of the day, and it's dairy free and without added refined sugar. You can see how creamy the chocolate milkshake is. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using 15 soaked and peeled almonds. Please do check my almond milk recipe video to know why you need to soak and also why you should peel the almonds. Links will be updated in the description box below. Into a blender, add in the peeled and soaked almonds and 1 cup of water and blend on high speed for 40 seconds. I'm using a high speed blender, which is also known as a mixie in India, and my blender has 1300 watt, but if you're using an ordinary mixie which has somewhere around 750 watt, then you may need to blend it for about 1 to 1.5 minutes. And after blending, your fresh homemade creamy almond milk is ready. You can store this almond milk in the fridge for a couple of days, but it is always best to make them fresh, and it's not that difficult if you have some soaked almonds. So remember to soak some almonds at night if you plan to make almond milk or chocolate almond milkshake. Also, I like to mention something like, since exam times are going on and children may stay up late at night to study and may also have disturbed sleep and low energy throughout the day. So if your child is preparing for board exams, make sure you include almonds in their diet. Give about 7 to 10 overnight soaked and peeled almonds first thing in the morning, and make sure they have it every single day. And you can also give this drink at night when they stay up to study instead of black coffee or tea. Make sure you include soaked and peeled almonds in your child's diet every day, and after about a week you will notice a really good difference in their energy levels. Okay, back to the recipe. And once the almond milk is nicely blended, add in 1 tablespoon cacao powder. Now if you have cacao powder or dark chocolate, then that would be the best choice. Into that, add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder or as needed. Jaggery has many health benefits, and it also helps to boost immunity, helps in digestion. It is rich in iron and folate. It's also rich in magnesium, zinc and selenium. Now blend this on high speed for about a minute or until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Pour the blended chocolate almond milkshake into a cup and sprinkle some cocoa powder on top, or you can even grate some dark chocolate on top instead. Your healthy dairy-free chocolate milkshake is ready to serve. If you like to serve the drink slightly cold, you can add in ice cubes while blending. See how creamy the chocolate drink is. So much better than store-bought chocolate drink. No refined sugar, no added additives or preservatives. A perfect, filling, healthy, dairy-free drink which can be enjoyed by all. So guys, do try this healthy chocolate almond milkshake recipe and let me know how this turned out. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can stay updated when I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.